enter. He sees the shoes and exclaims,
Wow, it's a miracle. The leather man keeps reading their pair of beautiful shoes.
surprise!
I can't believe this. Who made this?
Customer 1 enters. I would like to have a pair of that furniture. Do you have such a pair?
Of course, sir. We have one set right there.
What size are those shoes?
The size 10, sir.
He hands the shoes over to the customer. The customer tries them on. They are perfect. What price?
10 pounds.
A little but they are so well made. I will give you 50.
Oh, sir, that's very kind of you.
Customer exits with the shoes.
60 pounds? We can buy another 6 pairs of shoes.
The narrator enters. The customer recommended the shoemaker to all his friends. The shoemaker bought more leather and while they were sleeping that night, the elves came. In the dim blue light, enter 2 elves. They climb on the table and start walking. They sing as they walk.
അവർ ആ പാടിയ പാട്ടില്ല അതൊന്ന് പാടും നോക്കി.
ഇന്ത്യ വിക്ഷേപിച്ചത് ആര്യഭട്ട, പിന്നെ ഇന്ത്യ വിക്ഷേപിച്ചത് ഭാസ്കര. വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ ആവശ്യത്തിന് സാറ്റ്, വാർത്താക്കളുടെ ആവശ്യത്തിന് സമുദ്രത്തെ കുറിച്ച് ഞങ്ങളാണ് ഇന്ത്യയുടെ ഉപഗ്രഹങ്ങൾ, ഞങ്ങളാണ് ഇന്ത്യയുടെ ഉപഗ്രഹങ്ങൾ. തനിനാനെ 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 ഞങ്ങളാണ് ഇന്ത്യയുടെ ഉപഗ്രഹങ്ങൾ, ഞങ്ങളാണ് ഇന്ത്യയുടെ ഉപഗ്രഹങ്ങൾ. തനിനാനെ 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 തനിനാനെ. Oats and peas and barley grow, oats and peas and barley grow. Do you I or anyone know? Do you I or anyone know? Oats and peas and barley grow, oats and peas and barley grow. First the farmer sow his seed, first the farmer sow his seed. Then he sends and take his seed, then he sends and take his seed. He stands his feet and claps his hands, he stands his feet and claps his hands, and turns around to view his land, and turns around to view his land. Walking with their partner, walking with their partner. Makering, oh makering, makering, oh makering. Oh while we have to dance and sing, oh while we have to dance and sing. Then the farmer waters the ground, then the farmer waters the ground. Watches the sunshine all around, watches the sunshine all around. He stands his feet and claps his hands, he stands his feet and claps his hands, and turns around to view his land, and turns around to view his land.
Very good.